Hello, my friends. Guess what? It is time for our Fold It Club. Now, let me just tell you, this little guy is the cutest little thing. And I love him because he's so proud of himself because he made a cake. So here we go. Are you ready? It is called Birthday Dog Fold It Set. And he is absolutely, positively adorable. Now, he also comes with, let me show you, he comes with a lot of things. He comes with the dog himself with the fun cake. And he comes with a party hat. Now, if you put the party hat on him, it's bigger than an A2. So you can put it next to him if you want. You can put it in front of him if you want it to stay A2. But if you don't mind it being a little bit bigger than A2, boom, use that hat and add even more excitement to your card. Now, you also have these extra little pieces to add on his little nose and his little spots, so you can die cut those separately. Now, I have fun samples to share with you, so stay tuned. Of course, our Fold It Club members get the handy dandy postcard. There's other ideas on our website. And you are not getting one stencil, you are getting 2 stencils. Now, I will be honest, I'm a little partial to this one because, hello, birthday candles. Now, they don't have to be birthday candles, right? This is an all-over pattern. This is what it looks like. It's an all-over pattern. But it's already I already have it packed, ready to go in my Katie Buddy bag. But you can do different colors with this. You can make this for birthday. You can make this for congratulations. You can make this for anything you want. And you know what? You can make it all different colors, which is really fun. Now, you're also getting, I mentioned 2 stencils, right? You're also getting this fun stencil. Now, this stencil is really fun, and we have etched on it so you can see exactly the placement of where your little puppy dog would go, and then you can decorate the background. And I have some fun samples to share with you on that. You have this cute little bottom, like a little rug or a little stone look. Then you have the fun banners, and it is so much fun to make the whole scene, right? So let's look at some samples before I show you everything. So here is the cute little guy. Look how cute he is. He is ready to go. He's just so happy. Every time I look at him, I think he looks so proud of himself for making this cake. I just think he's cute. Now, you can also add eyes to him if you want. So Cheryl added some cute little eyes to him. And here he is with just the regular eyes. So adorable. Isn't he cute? I just love him. I just want to pat him on the head. Nice doggy. Now, if you don't want to use the whole card, you can also use just the top. Look at how cute that little guy is. And oh, you know what? Are you ready for this? Look at this. This is a big surprise. Ready? It's a cute little head, but when you open it up, it's the whole puppy dog with his cake. You could decorate the inside and the outside. Look at that. Oh, and hello, look at the candles. Look at those stenciled candles. You're going to have so much fun with those candles. Use our smaller blending brushes to get those candles, but look at how beautiful they are. Oh, and Cheryl even added yellow 3D ink to the little flames of the candle. So fun. Now here's a cute one. You adding some words, party on. Love that. Oh, look how cute. You are so doggone awesome. Add the hat on the inside. You can do that as well. Isn't that cute? And there you can see the banner using the glitter paste. How fun it is to add that fun little banner. And let's see. Let's look at this one. Are you ready? Oh, this one's so sweet. This is on a 5x7 card base, my friends. 5x7 card base. Add your A2 on there. And look how cute he is. Look at those candles in the background. Again, totally different look just by changing the ink colors, which is so much fun. Now this one, look, nice inside, perfect. This one is really fun because this one will really give you the whole idea of that background stencil. It's like a scene, and this will show you exactly what it looks like. It has the little ground down there that you can make it any different color you want. Look at those fun banners up in the corners. It also even has little dots, kind of like a little confetti falling down. So that's going to give you a really good idea on what those banners are going to look like. Also, I need to point out on this one, it has the banners. You can kind of see it. It's using just the clear glitter paste, but it's just a little extra hint of banner, which is really fun. Now, my friends, Fold It Club members, you are sitting back, relaxed. You know it's on its way to you automatically. You don't have to worry about a thing, right? But there are some of you out there that are not in the Fold It Club. Can you believe it? There are people that are not in the Fold It Club. But guess what that means, my friends? You cannot buy this. This is not available on my website. The only way you can get this set is if you're in the Fold It Club. What are you waiting for? Go sign up for it. Now, I know sometimes people are a little nervous about signing up for a club or subscribing to a kit or something like that. Guess what, my friends? You only have a 3-month commitment. After 3 months, you can cancel it anytime. We figure by then you're gonna fall madly in love with us and you're gonna wanna stay forever. Or you stay in for a full year. On your anniversary month, you're gonna get a $15 gift certificate to our website, just as a little thank you. How fun is that? Also, if you're in any of our clubs, including the Fold It Club, you also get 15% off my entire website at the Stamps of Life every single day, every single item, every single order that you are a club member. Every single item, every single day, every single order. Does that mean I can only place one order and get that 15% discount? No. Every order, as long as you're a club member, boom, you are getting that club discount automatically. You don't have to enter any special codes. You don't have to worry about, oh, did I enter the code? No. It's all done for you. Go to the website. What happens when we have a flash sale? Guess what? Not only do we have our everyday low prices, then we have the flash sale prices when an item is brand new on our website. Usually it's the first 24 hours it's on the website. So then you get the lower flash sale price. Then you're getting your club discount on top of that. And you're earning club points. So it's like all these extra discounts. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. Kind of, that's how it is. So if you're not in the Fold It Club, get in quick. These are limited. Once we sign up with all the people for the Fold It Club, it's gone. It's gone. So make sure you join the Fold It Club ASAP. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Click on Join the Club. Just watch that video and get in on this ASAP before it's gone or sold out. Oh, that would be awful. So hurry. I'll see you there, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.